Welcome to our channel Sailing Queen Bee. This episode is all about our summer season 2021. Amazing sunsets, sailing with friends, heavy thunderstorm and many more. If you like the video, please subscribe and leave us a thumb up. Thank you.
Time for chicken carbonara today, something different. And where am I? Yeah, it looks like you're in the ocean. Even we have bigger sailboats, but no wind means even the bigger ones are not going fast. Ah, so beautiful. I love it. This is our favorite spot of anchoring, south of Chiemsee. Already sunset in around 35 minutes, so I escaped from the mosquitoes. They attacked me in hundreds, complete swarm. I guess I'm having more than, I don't know, 10 bites.
The next day started a little rainy with some thunderstorm clouds behind.
I have no clue. Some are really stupid. And why? First, as you see the swell already, and then let me get higher. There is coming a thunderstorm with warning 3. You see how the next swell is coming? This is a couple of, I don't know, minutes, maybe 10 to 20.
Soon the weather has cleared up. I'm out for a sail.
Nearly 3 knots with 6 knots of apparent wind. So beautiful weather. Lazy sailing. This is bad, as you see here. And there is no wind. So all that light part of the water is again the wind gun. But at least very, very far behind. I guess you can see it there. There, a little there. There is some other wind coming. Only 1.7, 1.8 knots. But isn't it a beautiful butterfly? Exactly 180 degrees from the back. So I can get, I guess, 2 to 3 degrees more to the left side.
It was an easy and nice sail, just being back to our tiny marina from our club and enjoying an evening beer. It was a relaxed night, and on the next day when my wife arrived, she tried out our new club standard paddle. But in the evening, you will see soon, we had heavy thunderstorms, so it was not a day where we could go out for sailing. After flying sausage and pork chops, the weather calmed down and we just what it was, a little nice sunset and a beautiful rainbow.
Yeah, you should sleep with this. Up to 23 knots.
The next 2 days I worked from our clubhouse and enjoyed just the evenings with beautiful sunsets.
Oh, isn't it a wonderful evening? Look at the sun. Wow. Now it's Friday evening and I feel a little holiday. The short ones. Great. So sound is off because I just stream from the mobile, but with somehow sound everything perfect. The special German Hiller ketchup. You have the Tegernseer Hell. So the perfect beer sound, and for sure there is the mobile barbecue. So bad part is I'm alone and Yeah, the sun has set already, but again, what else you want? It's relatively warm, still 22 degrees, so acceptable. I love it.
It is now end of October and we were hit by a huge flood. It also drained into our clubhouse. Our yard was completely underwater, but see it yourself on the pictures.
Well, seems like. Hi. I'm moving slowly. My rubber shoes not that high enough. It's nearly going in. Yeah. And then we have this problem.
Even with this flood, we further stayed on the boat and improved a little our cooking, especially for breakfast and wonderful dinner in the evening.
Yeah, as you prepared. I hope my wife loves it.
It's now end of September and our friends, which we met in Croatia, arrived for one weekend. So we had a very beautiful sails to Fraueninsel.
€4. This Blutsauger. The Frauenisland. We got a spot. And anyhow, over there, wait, let me listen a little. Now you see the boat. These are very friendly people, never taking care if you over there. This is the so-called cluster. It's for free. So, ab, was haben wir jetzt? 3,5 Knoten, 4 Knoten. Du wirst doch immer den Propeller unten mitlaufen, dann macht das so ein leichtes.
Jetzt flitzen wir mit dem Sicherheit.
Ja, das ist schon, also das wäre immer so mit so einem Wind, 3,5 Knoten.
Schaffen wir bis Fraueninsel? Die Leute sagen ruhig, ja.
I hope you enjoyed our short summertime video, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.